So I've marked 16 inches on center, and then I go back 3/4 of an inch to mark where the stud's going to start. I do it from the left side, some people do it from the right. Time to erect the first wall. So I've cut these 45-degree angles on these 2x4s so they sit flat with the ground. And there's 2 of them. I use extra blocks for bracing. And then I clamped it in place. Then I take this 4-foot level and I lay it against any one of these. You can see it's now pretty level. Before it wasn't level, what I did was I just loosened these a bit so they're held in place. I loosened this one over here as well. And then I just used my hand to nudge it backwards until it would line up on the level. And that's how I knew it was good. And now my wall is plumb. Ain't that a peach? So I'm going to be putting up this wall pretty soon, but I need to be able to get up on the top there and nail things together for the top plate. So I'm building some scaffolding with the tree that I took down that used to be right here. I've cut it into a few chunks, and here's 1 and 2 pieces, and I'll be cutting 2 more of them and laying some either plywood, OSB, or some 2x4s across just to be able to stand on top. Well, it took me about 30 minutes to build this, but it's strong. It's not going anywhere because of the weight of these logs. So I'm very confident I could stand on that and reach the top plate no problem. That's pretty good. Not even leaning. That shows how level my deck is. This is my scaffolding. It's solid because It's made of strong trees. I'm going to take you over here and show you this. So this wall is 8 feet high by 12 feet long. It's just balanced on itself right now. It's not even leaning up against my support post. It has a second top plate, whereas this one doesn't have one yet. And what this is going to do is, you can see how it overlaps. So it's going to rest on the top of that one there. So this is going to overlap on the top here when I slide it in. It's plumb. It's the beginning. And everything is plumb, which is straight up and down, and level and square. I'm using these 2x4s that are on an angle on the foundation floor to hold it in place so it remains level. If you don't make sure things are level, then when you go to put the roof on, all your pieces will have to be custom fit, which takes up way too much time. You can see it's in the middle. So it's raining out, it's sloppy, it's cold, it's like 2 degrees, so it's cold rain. But I got to get this window framing done. There'll be a window opening right about here. 30 inches by 36 inches. I'll put a header at the top. I'll put a trimmer stud or jack stud along the sides of the king stud, and cripple studs in the middle, a sill, and the header. Thanks for joining me on this incredible and frequently unknown journey as I build the cabin of my dreams on my very own private and secluded 40 acres in the beautiful northern Canadian wilderness. As always, if you enjoy this content, then just like the writing on the wall says, please hit the like button and consider subscribing so that you can be notified when any new videos are released. Until then, the future is unknown, and I'll see you there.